Let's explore the phrasal verb clean out. To clean out means to remove everything from a space and thoroughly clean it, often to organize or declutter. For example, if you say I need to clean out the closet, it means you want to take everything out of the closet, clean the space, and organize or remove items you no longer need. Clean out is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say clean the closet out or clean out the closet. Using clean out helps you organize and refresh spaces. So next time you need to declutter, remember to say, I'll clean out. Let's explore the phrasal verb scrub off. To scrub off means to remove something from a surface by scrubbing it with a brush or cloth. For example, if you say I'll scrub off the grease from the stove, it means you'll use a scrub brush or sponge to remove stubborn grease and grime from the stove. Scrub off is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say scrub the grease off or scrub off the grease. Another example is, she scrubbed off the dirt from her shoes. This means she cleaned the dirt from her shoes by scrubbing. Using scrub off helps to thoroughly clean surfaces and remove tough stains. So next time you need to get rid of stubborn dirt, remember to grab a scrub brush and say, I'll scrub off. Let's explore the phrasal verb hang up. To hang up means to place something on a hook, rack, or line so it is suspended and not lying flat. For example, if you say, can you hang up the wet towels? It means you want someone to place the towels on a towel rack or clothesline so they can dry. Hang up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say hang the towels up or hang up the towels. You can also use hang up for other items like clothing, such as shirts, dresses, or jackets, by placing them on hangers in a closet. Additionally, you might hang up pictures or art on a wall to display them, or decorations around the house for special occasions. Using hang up helps keep things organized and allows them to dry properly. Let's take a look at the phrasal verb fold up. Fold up means to bend or creasing something, such as paper or fabric, to make it more compact for storage. For example, if you say, can you fold up the blanket? It means you want someone to fold the blanket so it takes up less space and can be neatly stored. Fold up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say fold the blanket up or fold up the blanket. Another example is, he folded up the chairs after the party. This means he collapsed the chairs into a compact form. Using fold up helps you organize and store items more efficiently. So next time you need to prepare something for storage, remember to use this phrase and say, I'll fold up. Let's explore the phrasal verb wash down. To wash down means to clean a surface thoroughly by washing it with water, often using soap, detergent, or a specialized cleaner. For example, if you say, can you wash down the counters? It means you want someone to clean the counters using water and possibly a cleaning solution to remove any dirt. Wash down is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say wash the counters down or wash down the counters. Another example is that she washed down the walls before painting them. This means she cleaned the walls thoroughly using water and a cleaner to remove any dirt. Using wash down helps keep surfaces clean and hygienic. So, next time you need to give something a good cleaning, remember to say, I'll wash it down. Let's explore the phrasal verb dry off. To dry off means to remove moisture or water from something or someone, usually using a towel or cloth. For example, if you say, can you dry off the dishes? It means you want someone to remove the water from the dishes using a towel or cloth after they have been washed. Dry off is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say dry the dishes off or dry off the dishes. Another example is, he dried off his dog after the bath. This means he used a towel to remove the water from his dog's fur. Using dry off helps to remove moisture and prevent water from causing damage or discomfort. So next time you need to get rid of excess water, remember to say, I'll dry off. Let's take a look at the phrasal verb setup. To set up means to arrange or assemble something so it is ready for use or operation. For example, if you say, "Can you set up the new TV?" It means you want someone to arrange and assemble the new TV so it is ready to use. Set up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say set the TV up or set up the TV. Another example is, they set up the table for dinner. This means they arrange the table with plates, utensils, and other items needed for a meal. Using set up helps to prepare and arrange things for use. So next time you need to get something ready, remember to say, "I'll set up." Let's explore the phrasal verb sort out. To sort out means to organize, arrange, or resolve something, often by separating items into categories or finding solutions to problems. For example, if you say, "Can you sort out the laundry?" It means you want someone to organize the laundry, perhaps by separating the clothes into piles of colors, whites, and delicates. Sort out is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say sort the laundry out or sort out the laundry. Another example is, if you say, "Can you sort out the pantry cupboard?" It means you want someone to organize the items in the pantry, perhaps by grouping similar foods and checking for expired items. Using sort out helps to bring order and clarity to household tasks. So next time you need to organize or resolve something at home, remember to say, "I'll sort it out." Let's explore the phrasal verb soak up. To soak up means to absorb a liquid into something like a cloth or sponge, so the area becomes dry. Imagine you're in the kitchen and someone accidentally spills juice on the floor. You might say, "Can you soak up the spilled juice?" This means you want them to use a cloth or paper towels to absorb the juice from the floor so it's dry and clean. Soak up is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say soak the juice up or soak up the juice. Using soak up helps manage spills and keep surfaces dry. So next time you need to clean up a liquid mess, remember to say, "I'll soak it up." Let's explore the phrasal verb air out. To air out means to let fresh air circulate through a space or item to remove unpleasant smells or to dry it out. For example, if you say, "Can you air out the room?" It means you want someone to open the windows or doors to let fresh air flow through the room and get rid of any stale or musty odors. Air out is a separable phrasal verb, so you can say air the room out or air out the room. Another example is, she aired out the blankets after they'd been stored away all winter. This means she hung the blankets outside or in a well-ventilated area to freshen them up and remove any mustiness. Using air out helps refresh spaces and items. So next time you need to get rid of unpleasant odors or dry something out, remember to say, "I'll air it out." Now, it's time for the quiz. Let's see how well you remember the phrasal verbs we've covered. Fill in the blanks with the correct phrasal verb from the choices provided to describe what is happening in the picture. Fantastic work on the quiz! Make sure to stay connected with our channel for more engaging videos like this one. If you want to dive deeper into phrasal verbs, check out our comprehensive phrasal verbs playlist for more lessons and practice. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.